In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. Open your browser and head to Mailchimp.com. If you already have an account, sign in so you land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Create button in the navigation. Click it to open the creation panel. This is where Mailchimp groups all the things you can make, like emails, automations, forms, and, in our case, a landing page. Choose the option labeled Build Landing Page. A landing page in Mailchimp is a simple, focused web page you can use to promote an offer, collect signups, or drive a specific action without the distractions of a full website. After you selected it, you'll be prompted to name your landing page. Type a clear internal name that helps you and your team recognize its purpose later, like Spring Promo, Lead Capture, or Webinar Waitlist. Good naming makes it much easier to track and manage campaigns as you grow. Click Begin to continue. You'll now see Mailchimp's template gallery. Take a moment to browse. Each template is designed for a different goal, from collecting email addresses to showcasing a product. You can preview a template to get a feel for its layout and structure before committing. Pick the one that best matches your goal and click to select it. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You'll customize everything in the next step. Now you're in the editor, where you can customize your landing page. Use the drag and drop blocks to edit headlines, paragraphs, images, and buttons. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals, and keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads quickly. Update text to be clear and action-focused. Your headline should communicate the value in a single glance. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand, and keep the design consistent with other touchpoints so visitors feel at home. If your page includes a sign-up form, tailor the fields to what you truly need. Fewer fields usually mean higher conversions, so keep it simple. Add a clear call to action on your button and link it to the correct destination or form submission. Use the preview tools to see how your page looks on desktop and mobile, and make small adjustments so everything reads well on smaller screens. Remember to save as you go to avoid losing changes. When your content looks polished and your layout is balanced, you've successfully built your Mailchimp landing page. That's all there is to it. Go to Mailchimp, click Create, choose Build Landing Page, give it a name, click Begin, select a template, and customize it until it matches your message and brand.